Today in this tutorial I will show you how to design this vector logo. Select Ellipse tool and draw the circle. Now click on the circle and drag to center with help of mouse right button to make duplicate circle. Click on Rectangle tool and hold Control button. Draw the rectangle shape like this. Now select Smart Fill Color tool and give some color to this part. Remove all objects and follow the process. Press Ctrl D to make duplicate shape and rotate the shape 45 degrees. Select Virtual Segment Delete tool and follow the process. Select both objects and make it group and press Ctrl D to duplicate the object and follow the process. Rotate the object in 45 degrees and follow the process. If you are understand, don't miss like and share and subscribe the channel.